Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. In this video we'll show you some common symptoms of a bad fuel pump. Hopefully this will help you determine if the pump is the problem, since the symptoms are very similar to other car problems. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Similar symptoms as we're going to show you occur when the fuel filter is clogged or filthy. You can take a look at our other video about that and perhaps exclude the fuel filter as a possible cause. Lots of cranking before starting the engine. In most cases, lots of cranking is the first symptom of a bad fuel pump. At first, the cranking will be a bit longer than usual, but as the problem progresses, it will take a couple of long cranks to start the engine. A bad response to the gas pedal. You will also notice that the car is losing power when pressing the gas pedal and accelerating. Instead of the usual sharp and immediate response and acceleration, you'll notice hesitation and a sluggish response when pressing the gas pedal. The engine is sputtering, stalling, and there may be engine misfires. When the fuel pump is bad, there is an irregular fuel supply to the engine. This will cause problems with the air-fuel mixture and thus the combustion, causing engine sputtering, the engine frequently stalling, there may be rough idling or even engine misfires. In more serious cases of a fuel pump problem, the engine may cut off completely. Lower fuel consumption. Since the fuel supply to the engine is weaker and irregular, the engine will probably consume less fuel than usual. This symptom is usually less noticeable since the lower consumption is negligible in most cases and because by this time other more dramatic symptoms of this problem appear. A whining sound from the gas tank. Usually when the pump is on its last legs and will totally fail, you'll hear a loud whining sign coming from the gas tank. The whining may be present all the time and may be louder or quieter at moments. It may even be present if the ignition is off. If this is the case, then you must immediately check out and solve the problem since the pump is pushing fuel when the engine is off. The engine will not start at all. The final and definitive bad fuel pump symptom is that the car will crank but will not start at all. At the first cranking, you'll hear the engine wanting to start but it won't. This is because there is leftover fuel still in the rest of the system. But after the second and third cranking, the engine will not respond at all, there will just be cranking. In most cases, modern fuel pumps have a very short breakdown period, so to say, since they are electrically driven. Consider this when the first symptoms of a bad fuel pump appear and take action immediately so the car won't break down and you won't be left stranded. React immediately when you notice heavy cranking and engine performance problems. If you don't, the fuel pump may cut out at a moment's notice, you'll not be able to start the car and you will be left stuck. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps determine the problem. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.